大家好，歡迎嚟到東廚房。Welcome to Asian Delights Kitchen. Today I'm going to share my ha lo mein shrimp lo mein recipe with you. Lo mein is one of the most popular dishes in Chinese restaurant here in the United States. It is so delicious, kids-friendly, and easy to make. With my methods, you can definitely achieve that restaurant-worthy result at home. Let's get started. We are going to use a half pound of these dried noodles to cook 2 servings. You can also use udon or fresh egg noodles. Anything that is thick and nice are something that I would prefer. Cook the noodles according to the package instructions. For my dry noodles, I added 1 teaspoon of salt and oil and cooked it for 12 minutes in boiling water. When you can break the noodles with your nails and no more white color in the center, that means it's done. Drain the noodles and give it a cold rinse right away, or soak the noodles in ice water for 2 minutes when it's done. We call it go lang ho in Cantonese. What it does is to stop the noodles from cooking and create a chewy, nice texture. Let them air dry for an hour or so, or use a fan to shorten the time. The texture of the noodles is what I care about the most when I make my lo mein, as it will affect how the seasoning absorbs the noodles, the time that we cooked, and the final result. I sometimes cook the noodles ahead of time, put them in the fridge, and use them the next day. When the noodle is nice and dry, not sticking to your hands, that's good. Let's get prepped out on our lo mein. For aromatics, mince 2 to 4 cloves of garlic. Slice 1/4 of a small onion. What kind of vegetables do you like to be in your lo mein? I'm using a 1/4 pound of broccoli. Trim off the stem of the broccoli and cut from the back to bite size. Nothing is going to waste in my house. Peel the stem and slice it thinly. Broccoli stem is crispy and sweet. It's good to add to your stir-fry or dumpling fillings. Peel and slice carrots to add some color. Clean, peel, and pat dry the shrimps. Seasoning with the ingredients listed on the screen here. Mix well and set them aside. To get that restaurant result, carbon steel wok or cast iron cookware is highly recommended to create that charred-like flavor that we call wok hei in Cantonese. Turn the heat to high until the wok is smoking hot. Add in canola oil, peanut oil, or any high-burning point oil that you have. Spread around the wok. Add in onion, fry until golden brown. Toss in broccoli and carrots. Let the veggies coated with the oil. Sprinkle salt on the veggies and some oyster sauce. Give it a good mix. Pour in a small amount of water around the wok, covered with the lid to cook for 2 to 4 minutes. The reason not to add too much water is that we want to keep that wok temperature high, and a big amount of water will decrease the heat rapidly. Learning how to control the heat and cooking time of a wok is the key to Chinese stir-fry. You can check on the veggies in the progress. If the water is fully evaporated, repeat pouring the water around the wok and cook the veggies until softened. Scoop out everything and set them aside. You do not need to wash the wok. Heat the wok to smoking hot. Add in oil. Fry the shrimps on both sides until the color change, around 80% cooked. Set them aside. Clean the wok this time and heat it to smoking hot. Add some oil. Be generous with oil amount here because you want enough oil to coat with the noodles so they won't be too dry and stick together while serving. Spread the oil around the wok, then add in half portion of the noodles. Fry and separate the noodles until all are coated with oil. I use a 12 inches carbon steel wok. If you use a bigger wok or pan, it's okay to cook all the noodles at once. When using a wok, cooking too much food at once is a big no-no. Add in garlic. Fry until fragranced. Add in all the seasoning listed on the screen here. Quickly mix the noodles on the wok to absorb all the good flavoring until they are coated with brown even color and nice glaze like this. As lo means mix in Cantonese. Add in veggies and shrimps. Mix everything well and just let this continue to cook and blend in together. Turn off the heat. Here goes my version of shrimp lo mein. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Try this at home and let me know how it turns out. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. 我哋下期再見啦，拜拜。